How to delete group history on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete group history on Truecaller. First open Truecaller, and after that just select any chat, any group you want, like this one here, and now just click on it. And after that you will find here these 3 points in the top corner, and now just click on it. And here we'll find delete history. Click on it and click remove, and that's it. Now just go back, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.